Hey guys, Tony here. Got another video for you today, and I think it's important news. It's positive news, and I want to just reinforce what I've been saying about watching what the big money is doing, watching what the whales are doing. And despite the market being down, there's so many things that are in the works right now that is setting the stage for a massive bull run in 2018 and for a really successful year for cryptocurrencies. So I hope this helps put you guys in a different frame of mind and a way of thinking of looking ahead and understanding in markets there's going to be bear moments and crashes and then recoveries and bull runs and so forth. And as I shared in my video of 7 winning cryptocurrency investment tips, one of it was doing your research and following what the big money, the whales, are doing. So billionaire and former Wall Street fund trader Mike Novogratz has started, or I should say raised $250 million for a cryptocurrency investment venture dubbed Galaxy Digital. So here is Mike Novogratz. This guy's big on Wall Street and he's a billionaire. And here's a photo of him hanging out with the Winklevoss twins, who themselves are Bitcoin billionaires and started the crypto exchange Gemini. So this guy is a power player, guys. He's got tons of money, and you think this guy is going to waste his time doing this, starting a cryptocurrency investment fund or company or whatever, if he didn't see the potential to make money? So this is why I've been telling you guys, hold on to your crypto. Big institutional money is still on its way. Sure, some of it has entered the market, but not to the extent of like I've been talking about, the rich folks. Many of them don't want to touch crypto unless there's some sort of regulation or taxes or some sort of protection. And many of them not just going to go buy Bitcoin outright. They're going to go through like an investment fund or a hedge fund, right? So a bit more details here. According to Bloomberg, the private placement will enable Novogratz's new firm to trade and manage cryptocurrency assets, as well as offer consulting to blockchain startups. A separate report from Taiwan's Economic Daily News revealed additional details, including the fact that Terry Gu, founder and CEO of Foxconn, is one of the fund's investors with an $18 million placement in the round. So follow the whales, follow the big money, guys. These guys are not doing this for the sake of just doing it. They want to make money and they see the potential. There's money to be made here. So I hope you guys didn't sell in this mini crash that we had because of all the negative news. I hope you held on to your crypto and you didn't have weak hands, because big things are coming. And if once again, this is not investment or financial advice, but personally, as I mentioned, I bought in the dips and we're still low as far as recovery. So now would be a good time to get in on some of these cryptos that, once again, have real potential, that solve real world problems, have branding. I know Bitcoin, for the most part, doesn't have a team or a CEO or a company behind it, but it has the branding. It's the original. So it's kind of the outlier here. But, Litecoin, Ethereum, Ripple, I think those are solid bets. So I've been saying, guys, even yesterday I reported, if you recall, I reported on Grayscale, which is the launch of another investment fund. I've been talking about exchanges expanding to the US, even adding new cryptos, exchanges launching across the world, many of them raising funds, existing stock and securities and trading sites such as Robinhood adding features for cryptocurrency, for you to trade and buy cryptocurrencies. There's a lot going on. It was even reported today that Jay-Z, the rapper, and now he's like kind of a investment mogul, so to speak, he just invested in Robinhood. So there's a lot of things happening. So you got to read between the lines. Some of these things don't make the biggest headlines, but you got to watch what's happening. Where's the money going? Who's starting what? Why would they be starting these funds? They're setting up for something big, because the market's still in its infancy. So now's the time. If you're really early. I know in December there was this big bull run. It was a lot of investment, and it seemed like almost everybody was investing, but really not that much. It was kind of word of mouth. People are saying, hey, I bought Bitcoin. Hey, have you heard about Ethereum or whatever? And people started investing. But I don't think it's hit that mass adoption yet. So I think we still got a big bull run to go, maybe many bull runs before we kind of hit that tipping point of, okay, everybody knows about it now. There's a lot of investors in the market, and then you're going to have some pullback, of course, or you're going to lose some momentum. But now's the time, I think, to be holding and just watching closely what's happening and get ready, because I think there's going to be some good things here. Now, keep in mind, along the way, I don't want you guys to think, oh, well, Tony said there's going to be a bull run, and then when is it going to happen? It does take time, but what I'm saying, there's a process to this, right? Crawl before you walk, walk before you run. The stage is being set, and it's not going to happen overnight. And also, could there be more negative news that drives the market down a bit? Sure, that's going to happen, because there's still a lot of FUD. There's still a lot of non-believers. There's still a lot of people who are ignorant to blockchain technologies and cryptos and so forth. So, and then you also have like the media, who they're all about hype, and just spreading news that'll get them clicks and views, right? So you have like CNBC, if Bitcoin went down $1,000, oh my God, Bitcoin crashes, the end of the world. No, there's corrections in the market. It's not the end of the world, as we just saw here. But they're feeding that on social media and running that type of messaging, which is causing people to panic. So I hope I'm helping you guys to think differently, think long term, think doing your research, looking at what's happening behind the scenes, who's making the moves, and getting ready for I think a great year. So I think this is big news, guys. The more I see these investment funds coming up for cryptos, and especially when they're backed by reputable folks like Mike Novogratz, guy, big Wall Street guy, billionaire, a lot of experience trading in stocks and so forth, and now starting up an investment firm here called Galaxy Digital. This right here, gets my antennas going. Like, okay, I see what's happening here. So this is big. And what do you guys think about this news? What do you think about my thoughts here about, where the stage is being set, guys? More crypto exchanges, more investment firms, more big names coming into the market, trying to get institutional money in the market, which is good if you're holding right now, and obviously for long term. So leave your comments in the comment section below. Thumbs up if you like this video, and please subscribe for more videos on cryptocurrencies. I'll talk to you guys later.